Oh, bye. Yes. All right, guys. So, heading out for the probably last time out to this lovely beach. You can tell, no jacket, no shoes. So, collecting a few more rocks from the other night, and then head into the room and chill and get ready to leave tomorrow. I know this is risky, but I don't care. This beach, I trust more than most of the other places we've been. This one's really unpolluted, shall we say. So it's not as bad. And the sand that's been in the sun is kind of warm. So yay. Listen to the surf. Mind the construction. Oh, and you've got the bag too. What bag? The bag to put the rocks in. I don't have anything to put the rocks in.
What about Kylo?
It's filled with the ones from the other day. I didn't want to get it mixed up.
You don't want to get today's rocks mixed up with yesterday's rocks?
Oh, I wasn't really thinking. I'll let it blow away. One thing I find interesting is that most of the wind is coming from behind us rather than in front of us. Stuck in the top.
Find another rock and either push it out or pull it out or...
Grab that wood.
Don't break the ball.
Bit so not getting like the straight wind. Dumping like a bunch of little ones and maybe like one or two of the bigger ones with the sand in each bottle, so that way like you sit there and kind of see pretty much a miniature version of what's right here.
Let's see how many of them can catch in that air.
Look what I've got. What? Yeah. No.
Got it.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi. Like, yeah, that's right, bitch. Move. Yes. Watch this, watch this.
It's like playing with the dog.
Oh my God, hi. Alright. Hi. Yeah? Yeah, good job. Woo. Hi, buddy. We best friends? Yeah, we is. Hi. Guys, we are royalty! Bird royalty! You ready? You ready? So, Mom threw out one chunk of bread. And next thing you know, threw a couple more chunks. And now look what we've got. Wow. Wow.
Oh, you need to move away from where it was.
Yeah, that's why I keep slowly migrating. Okay, we need to eat the cake and probably give them the rest. Take a couple bites and that's it. The rest is theirs.
I don't know how they are for chocolate.
It's bread.
Oh, this is people food, boys and girls and dolls.
Goals.
I love the ones who do the. Okay.
What? Who's mouthing off over here?
What's a
Oh, that one.
sonic screwdriver people over here, though.
Yeah. Guys, cake by the ocean called Joe Jonas.
Now, if we do this right, you can get the cake and the ocean in the same frame. Oh, that one's for the. Who's gonna come over and claim that one, huh?
Yeah. Oh, okay. That apparently got an answer over there. Just walk away from the cake.
I suck at selling.
Cake by the ocean. So are the birds. There's a brave soul.
Who's a brave soul?
Cake by the ocean.
That cake. I have no idea how well framed I have this, but.
Girl, you have probably Zoom.
Oh, not right now. Do I really?
Well, your camera. Very high angle.
Always in.
Okay. Cake by the ocean. Birds by the ocean. No, down bird. No. There's some right there. There you go, right there, right there. Right here. There's some cake right over here. Oh my god. Oh! We about to see some single fights.
Cake by the ocean, guys.
Here we go. Joe Jonas' new video. Cake by the ocean. Starring flock of seagulls. Oh my god. Okay, this is way funner. Yep, the package is still there.
Come in.
Bring it up, bring it up. Dude, man. Fight to break out of this shit. See, even seagulls love chocolate cake. Oh, someone's like, I'm just gonna take the container. They're awesome. Look at that. Oh my, all right, sorry, I almost hit the play button. Look at this. Look at all these seagulls. Hi. And of course, we still got some back here eating the scraps that I threw. But the fight over here is beautiful. That guy knows what's up. The big one's like, yeah, that's my cake, bitches. Setting. Yeah, just dump at this point. Don't litter. That's all over there. Alright, so now we're emptying out the plastic container. So we don't litter. Alright, babies. Bye. Be Joe Jonas and eat cake by the ocean. Alright. How about it? I definitely will not be monetizing this video. I will be taking this. These two are fighting. Excuse you, loudmouth. Are you allowed? Oh God, oh God. Hey. What is with it, loudmouth? He's fighting off everybody.
Oh, nothing now, dude.
He's just constantly he's keeping his neck down and he's just barking at everybody. Hey, be nice. Be nice over there. As you kind of look at this sand and all their prints, but look out there into our kingdom of seagulls. Our entire 80s band. Flock of seagulls. Who gets that reference? No? Okay. Goodbye, my subjects. Enjoy cake and whatever else you can find. So it looks like one of them didn't eat some of his chips here. I don't need to. Hi! I saw kitty prints. There's a cat hiding right there. Hi, kitty, kitty. Yes, I see you, pretty.
Yeah, I know these guys.
Alright guys, seriously, you don't have to keep stalking me. See, these are the things I dropped for the previous set of blackbirds on my way back here that apparently they ignored and they just went to the big pile. I think they're trying to sound like, oh my god.
Car alarm, same thing.
Alright guys, watch this. What?
The one on the rail.
Oh, it fell. But the kitty's down here now. Kitty! The cat's over by the car now. The seagull's attention.
They're not as good as seagulls about catching them midair. And
Oh no, I'm throwing it up so the seagulls can see it.
They ain't gonna come all the way down here.
I know. Don't be a wuss. Come get it. However, kitty cat is right down there. Hi, kitty. Okay, guys, guess what I forgot to do? So of course we've got our other popper here, and I obviously forget to film before I start popping. Oops. Maybe I can get it to. Okay. It's done. And there's a couple loose curls still in there. But yes, so we've got the other popper. If you guys can't tell, it is R2-D2 from Star Wars. The box is over here. Oh gosh. Oops. But yes, here it is. Here's the box for it. Went online, bought it. Look at it, isn't it cool? So, of course, Disney. Just did like about half a scoop. So, there it is. Gotta butter it and all that fun now. I'll talk to you guys later.